Fractions. Alright, there's six properties of fractions we need to know. A over B times C over D is AC over BD. Smush them together. That's all. You smush the top together and then you smush the bottom together. So what's it look like in action? It looks like this. 2 over 3 times 5 over 7, for example. That's going to equal 2 times 5 over 3 times 7, which is going to be 10 over 21. Alright, next property of fractions, no big deal. A over B divided by C over D. You can write that. You got to flip this one. Flip it over. It's going to be A over B times, I'm going to switch the denominator. Now that's D over C. Nothing. No big deal. Do it in live action. Say we got 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 7. What's that going to be? It's going to be 2 over 3 times 7 over 5. Right? And then we use the one we just learned a little minute ago, and we'll say 2 over 3 times 7 over 5 equals 2 times 7 over 3 times 5, right? And that's going to be, finally, right down here, 14 over 15. And we're done. Alright, how about this? What if you had A over C plus B over C, right? That's easy. That's just A plus B over C, right? So 1/2 plus 4/2, whoops, 1/2 plus 4/2, right, is 5/2. You just add the 1 and the 4 and leave the denominator the same. Alright. What about this? This might get tricky here. A over B plus C over D. Now we got different denominators, different numerators. It's going to look like this. You're going to cross this here. The A and the D, you put that together, right? Plus the B and the C. Put that together. And then you put all of it over the B times the D, right? You got that? AD plus BC over BD, crossing the A and the D, and the B and the C, and then the B and the D are going to be multiplied together right here. So let's do that in action. It's going to look like this. Say it's 2/5 plus about 3/7, right? It's going to be 2 times 7 plus 3 times 5, right? All over 5 times 7, right? So I crossed the 2 and the 7. Those are together, multiplied right here. Then I crossed the 5 and the 3. Those are multiplied together right here. I changed the order, but it's the same thing. 3 times 5. All over this here, 5 times 7. And what's this all equal finally? Well, 2 times 7 is 14. Plus 3 times 5 is 15. All over 5 times 7 is 35. So finally, we get 29 over 35. And we're done with that one. Just 2 more, guys. Just 2 more properties of fractions. AC, right, equals, AC over BC equals A over B. You just cancel those two. That's so easy. Just cancel the 2. So let's try that in action. 2 times 5 over 3 times 5 equals what? You just cancel those 2. It's 2/3. It's pretty easy. Last one, we're done talking about fractions. Here's how it works. If you got A over B, if A over B equals C over D, if you know for sure that this is true, then you can cross multiply. You can say that A times D equals B times C. So the A and the D multiplied together here will equal the B times the C multiplied together here. So if we put it in action, 2 over 3 equals 6 over 9, right? And we know that's true, right? Just multiply 3 times 3, it equals 9, and 3 times 2, it equals 6, so it's the same as just putting a parentheses around this and then adding a 3 right here. But here, we know this, what we'll do. Here, we'll make sure. We'll cross multiply. So the 2 times the 9, right, will equal the 3 times the 6. How do we know that's true? What's 2 times 9? It's 18. What's 3 times 6? It's 18. Boom, we're done. That's the end of fractions.